Welcome to Car AutoZone. Today we're going full throttle into the world of German engineering excellence with one of the most powerful, aggressive, and limited edition sports sedans BMW has ever built. The BMW M5 CS. This car is more than just an M5. It's a statement of pure performance and precision, wrapped in a sleek, menacing package that looks just as deadly as it drives. Under the hood, the BMW M5 CS roars with a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine pushing out an astonishing 627 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. That's 10 more horsepower than the already insane M5 competition, and enough to launch this beast from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. That's faster than some modern supercars, and it doesn't just stop at straight-line speed. This car has been engineered from the ground up to dominate both the street and the track. BMW didn't just add power and call it a day. They trimmed weight wherever possible. Carbon fiber is everywhere. The hood, front splitter, rear, diffuser, mirror caps, and even the bucket seats are made of lightweight carbon fiber reinforced plastic. This saves over 230 pounds compared to the regular M5. Less weight means better handling, quicker response, and a more connected driving experience. Step inside the M5 CS and you're instantly reminded that this isn't a normal sedan. The cabin is aggressive yet elegant, luxurious but purposeful. Instead of a typical bench seat in the back, you get 2 individual carbon bucket seats. Yes, even the passengers get a race car experience. Up front, the deeply bolstered M-carbon seats provide incredible support for spirited driving while being trimmed in rich merino leather and Alcantara. Red accents, CS badging, and a unique Nürburgring outline etched into the headrests remind you of this car's roots and performance potential. On the road, the M5 CS is a razor-sharp weapon. The xDrive all-wheel drive system delivers incredible grip, but it also lets you switch to a pure rear-wheel drive mode for when you want to let the rear tires do all the talking. The ride is stiffer, more precise, and brutally responsive. Steering is direct, and every corner feels like an invitation to push harder. This is not just a fast car, it's a car that wants to be driven hard. Braking is equally impressive thanks to standard carbon ceramic brakes that not only stop the car on a dime, but also help reduce unsprung weight. These are the kinds of brakes you find on high-end track machines, and they're standard on the M5 CS. Every detail in this car is there for a reason, to make it faster, sharper, and more engaging. And then there's the design. Visually, the M5 CS is bold and aggressive, with gold bronze accents on the kidney grills, wheels, and badging. Yellow LED laser headlights give it a distinct motorsport-inspired look, especially at night. It's elegant and intimidating at the same time, a perfect reflection of the power underneath. What makes the M5 CS even more special is its exclusivity. This is not a mass-produced car. BMW only made a limited number worldwide, making it one of the rarest and most sought-after M cars ever. It's a collector's item, a driver's dream, and a true unicorn in the world of performance sedans. Whether you're carving corners on a back road, hitting the track, or just pulling up to a red light, the M5 CS delivers an unmatched experience. It's loud, it's fast, it's luxurious, and it's one of the finest examples of what happens when BMW's M division is let off the leash. Thanks for riding along with Car AutoZone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you love high-performance machines just as much as we do. We've got more incredible cars coming your way, so stay tuned and keep your engines revving.